Hello everyone, and welcome to question 8 of the Plant Reproduction series. In this video, we'll be covering a question from the Eastern Cape 2020 Provincial November exam. This question is only worth 7 marks. 2.3. The diagrams below show the potato berry. Diagram A. Diagram B shows the seeds inside the berry, and diagram C shows the potato flower. Now let's go through the labels and then we'll answer the questions. So, label P is pointing to the style, which sits at the top of the female reproductive organ. Label Q is pointing to the narrow tube, which is the style. The style is the passage down which the pollen tube travels down. Label R is pointing to the ovary, and those little globe-like structures are the ovules inside the ovary. Remember, the ovary becomes the fruit, the ovule becomes the seed. Label U is pointing to the petals. Label S is pointing to the anther, out of which the pollen is released. And label T is pointing to the filament. And label V is pointing to the sepal, which has a protective function. I would like you to please pause the video, answer the questions, and then we'll go through the answers. Right, name the plant division to which potatoes belong. Potatoes belong to the angiosperm division. Remember that fruits and vegetables are part of the angiosperm division. We also know it's an angiosperm because it produces a flower, and angiosperms are the only division that produce flowers. 2.3.2, provide labels for the wall labels U and V in diagram C. So U is the petal, V is the sepal. 2.3.3, give the letter and name of the part in diagram C. So which part will develop into the potato berry? That would be the ovary, R. The potato berry is the fruit, and we know that the fruit develops from the ovary, which is letter R. The part where the male gamete is produced, that would be the anther, which is label S. Now count your ticks, give yourself a mark out of 7, and then we can move on to the next question. Thank you very much.